So let's see how to make this delicious and yummy and healthy meatballs, chicken meatball. So I'm taking 2 pounds of ground chicken, 1 onion, few coriander leaves, oil, ginger garlic paste, half lemon and few green chilies, salt to taste, coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder. So let's mix everything and let me cut everything and I'll show you how to mix this and how to make delicious and healthy meatballs. I'm ready to marinate my chicken. I only used half of the onion. You can see remaining half onion. So let's marinate this chicken. I'm adding all my onions, chilies and coriander. I'm adding half of the lemon. Ginger garlic paste. Few teaspoons of oil. Salt to taste. Chili powder. Add according to your spice, like how much spicy you want. We eat okay, so I'm adding around 2 teaspoons. Dhania powder. Turmeric is really good for you, so add a little bit more. Now we'll mix this nicely. Make sure everything is mixed into the chicken. And you can store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. I would like to marinate this for at least an hour before I use it. So let it sit at room temperature for an hour before you use it. And then I'll show you how to make the meatballs. Chicken has been marinating for over an hour. So let's see how to make this healthy chicken meatballs. I'm going to make them in an appe pan, ponganal pan. You can buy it in any Indian grocery store or in India. I got it from DMart for 100 rupees. So let's see how to make this. I didn't on the stove yet. I'm just putting like 2-3 drops of oil in each hole. You're not deep frying it. That's the difference between the outside one but it's going to taste really great. You won't find any difference. That's the beauty of it. So let's put in our chicken. Here is our chicken. Just mix it once and takes very small portions like this. Make a ball and just put it. Fill this all up and then I'll show you. I arranged everything. So let's on the stove to medium, little bit more than medium. It will take only 5 minutes to cook. Keep a close eye and let it cook. Don't disturb it until it cooks on one side. So I'll show you around 2 minutes later how to turn it and how to enjoy it. Can you hear the sizzling sound that's happening? Just look at this. Look at this. How easy it is to turn. It won't be hard to turn or anything. Just turn it over. Another 2 to 3 minutes and it will be perfectly done. Just press it a little bit so that it cooks evenly. There you have it. Look at the beautiful color. It's almost done. You can off the stove now. You can just stick the toothpick in and you can enjoy with a little bit of chaat masala sprinkled on it, or you can also make manchuria with it. So what are you going to do with these meatballs? I'm going to make manchuria out of this. So I will show you in my next video how to make yummy manchuria with this. And that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me and enjoy this meatballs.